season is almost there, and if you haven't started your kitchen garden yet, then this video is for you, because today we will see how to prepare a perfect soil mix for your kitchen garden, whether you grow vegetables or fruits plants in pots and containers. Welcome back friends, I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Let's get started. So for preparing a perfect potting mix, you need garden soil 50%. Choose whichever variety is available in your area. Like in southern India, we get red soil. In other parts of India, you may get sandy soil or black soil. So basically, you can take anything except clay, as clay is used for aquatic plants only. So first and very important thing is 50% soil. Then we'll take 25% coco peat. I have a separate video on coco peat in which I have explained what is coco peat, how to use it in plants and its benefits also. Please check its video for detailed information. Coco peat has two important functions. One is it holds moisture for longer, keeping the soil moist so you don't have to water your plants frequently. Second is it is very lightweight, so it helps in making the potting mix soft, fluffy and airy. Also it makes the pot lightweight, so it becomes easy to shift the pot from one place to another. So we took 50% garden soil, 25% coco peat and 25% compost. It's highly recommended to add compost to the potting soil at this stage. You can choose cow dung manure or vermicompost, anything. In fact, I would suggest using vermicompost for growing vegetables, fruits, flowers or even ornamental plants. Additionally, you can mix 10 to 15% of river sand to it if you are growing any root vegetable. Mixing sand to your potting mix will make it well drained and porous, making the soil ideal for growing root vegetables like radish, carrot or potatoes, etc. So this is the basic preparation of soil mix for your vegetable containers. Now coming to another very important ingredient to mix into it, which is neem cake powder. It's easily available. It's a good pest repellent and great source of natural fertilizer also, which helps in developing plants. You can choose its amount based on the pot size, ranging from 50 grams to 250 grams, and if you are mixing it in a big size containers, you can choose about half kg neem cake powder as well. Now just mix everything well and our very rich potting mix for vegetable garden is ready. And I have grown few vegetables and fruits in the same potting mix and they are growing really well. Let me show you. So here in a 16-inch pot, I have used the same potting mix and a star fruit plant is growing really well and it is producing fruits as well. As you can see, it's just 1-year-old plant. And few chilies as well growing in the same pot, which are grown from seeds. And here in this tub I have Colocasia or taro growing really well using the same potting mix. So as you can see, it is very easy method to prepare perfect potting mix. Please do try this method, it's highly recommended, and I hope you liked today's video. I will come up soon with one more interesting video next week, so please stay tuned. See you soon.